Hey everybody, it's Roy from ROCO12 and EpicDroid.com, and I'm here today with the TONGATE Mech case for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. For those of you who haven't seen them before, dummy devices are devices that are made to look and feel like a real device, they just don't turn on. But they work great for videos like this here today. The TONGATE Mech is an awesome case. It is a great upper mid-range case that offers a ton of protection, a lot of great features, some great looks. I super love the style that they used on these ones. This black one here gives a great Dark Lord of the Sith, Darth Vader kind of vibe to it. But the green one and some of their other ones also look amazing as well. And the best part is the cases are super affordable. Depending on the color option that you go for, they go for between $25 and $30. Putting them on the device is super straightforward and super easy. We're going to set this one off to the side here. I think this Darth Vader one is going to look great on my phone. But we're going to take it with our power and our volume buttons. We're going to slide those in first. Pop those in around the corners. Make sure it's on nice and snug. And presto, you are good to go. Now looking at the case, there's a lot of great things going on here. Here on this side you have your power and your volume buttons. Those are very clicky. You can hear them there. If this were a real device, they'd be turning on and there wouldn't be any issues using them. Here on the bottom you have cut-out USB-C charging port, your microphone, your speaker, as well as for your S Pen. And flipping around the top you have another cut-out for your noise canceling mic. Right here you have a camera cover. You can put your finger in there and just pull that back. And it is very tight, but that's by design. You don't want it popping off. But then you can use that to set that off to the side, and then you have access to your cameras and your other sensors. When you're done and you want those protected, you just put that closed. There is a little felt thing there so that you're not going to have to worry about those getting scratched up. Close it, latch it in place, and you're good to go. Now, some people have pointed out before, this does also work as a kickstand. So if you're not wanting to use the built-in kickstand, you can use this one and use your device in a landscape mode. So we're going to pop that back in, and then we have that other kickstand we mentioned right here. So this kickstand is a magnetic ring, so you can use this with a MagSafe charger or other accessories. Again, it's not a real device, so I can't confirm. When you're not using that for MagSafe, you are able to use that for other things. It does work as a fidget toy. You can pull that out and flip it back and forth. It also works as a ring holder, just to make it a little bit easier to hold onto your device, and it also doubles as a kickstand. You can put that in there, and you can use that in portrait or in a landscape mode. Closing that back up here, you just pop that right down in. Look at the front of the case, you will see there is this raised lip that goes around the whole front of the device. That does provide some protection there, so you can set that down and not have to worry about the screen getting scratched up. Here also on the front, you will see there is a little bit of a cutout there for your front-facing audio so that you don't have any loss in audio quality. Now one last thing to point out here is you will notice that there are these extra thick bumpers here in these corners. Those do provide some impact protection, so if you do happen to drop this device, it's going to be hitting those bumpers before it hits anything else, and it's going to help keep that device protected. So as I said, it is a great case, and I definitely recommend checking it out. I really like TONGATE, and I really like their products. They are great products that are definitely worth putting on your device. If you guys have any questions about the TONGATE Mech, about any of TONGATE's other products, if you have any questions about anything else you've seen in this video, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below and reply as soon as we're available. If you've enjoyed this video, if you want to see more like it, please remember to give us a thumbs up and to share with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.